Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. I've got some great products from LUIGX to show you today. These are badge holders, but these aren't your ordinary badge holders. There's one of a lanyard, one of a money clip. Both are great, so stay tuned. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member. Thanks a lot. A big shout out to LUIGX for sending me these products, and great news for my community. Someone will win one of these, this particular badge holder with a money clip. And if you want to know how to take part in this giveaway, do stay tuned to the end of the video. But let's first start off with this product over here. It is a badge holder with a lanyard. Now, if you work in an office or any kind of building which has security where you need to tap in, then you definitely are familiar with these. But this is extremely well made, almost tactical and rugged looking. There's a carbon fiber look over here. So they're made of polycarbonate material, and then this carbon fiber material behind here. It just looks really sleek and nice, but the construction really good. Fit and finish is also very good. So this comes with kind of the standard lanyard, which has kind of a spring-loaded carabiner over here, and this can also be detached with this buckle. So that's pretty interesting. So this can be here, but for whatever reason you need it to detach it, you could also detach that, and this stays around your neck. So you can adjust it as you need. And the great thing, which I really appreciate, is there's a breakaway over here. So this can break away, and this is actually a very well made breakaway connector. I've got a few of these, and generally they don't hold as well. But the reason for this is anytime you carry something around your neck or have a lanyard, you do want something to break away, because if it gets caught on something, if there's no breakaway, it can be quite dangerous. But with this breakaway, if you're caught on something, it breaks away, and therefore it basically saves you. Maybe you might get a mark on your neck, and that's about it. So great feature to me for this. The cord also nice and thick. So overall, just the materials, I think definitely quality materials, and everything feels sturdy and good. Even this kind of a nylon strap over here, you've got American flag, which is basically a stitched on piece, and then you have the billboarding logo over here. All right, let's talk about the card holder itself. Get a closer look. So you do have a transparent surface, so you have an ID that you need to display that can be seen through there. You can see there's a metal clip. That's a kind of a, it's not a spring, but it acts like as a spring. It's a bent piece of metal, so that it holds your cards snug in place, so that it turns upside down. It's not going to fall out. So that's pretty nice. Over here you can see just this kind of a design, very tactical and cool looking, just feels strong. Now there's a notch over here, that's for you to push your cards out if you need. All right, let's talk about the number of cards that can go inside. Now they say 1 to 4 standard cards, and I assume like ID or credit cards, but I could fit in more. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards over here, and they actually fit in quite well. Can't fit in 6, but can fit in 5. And if you want, you can just push this out, and you can just get whichever card you need. Now it doesn't stagger, but I guess if you don't have that many, you can easily take it out. So about 4, because of that bent piece of metal, everything still holds. So okay, 4 is nice and smooth, as in you can easily grab and take out any one. But as you can see, 5 could fit snug, but it can fit. But I guess 4 might be considered optimal. Right, if you don't want to put cards, you can put business cards. So I thought this is really cool to put business cards, and I can put 10 business cards inside. Now take note, my business card stock is thick. It's 310 GSM, so it's thicker than most your average card. So if you have lower stock, let's say 250 GSM, probably can put, I'd say 13 to maybe 14 cards even. Really depends on card stock, but this is thick. So 310 GSM, and I can put in all 10. So I think this is great as a business card holder. Now you could combine, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. Okay, let's do 5. And I think I can put in 3 of these. Let's see. So I've got 5 business cards, and 3 kind of credit cards. So that fits inside. So that gives you an idea of how much you can put within this particular badge holder. And I think generally the options are pretty good. You do not want it too big and bulky, but you want to be able to put more than just 1 or 2 cards. So I really like that feature. So this is the standard, I guess, badge holder. So what I have over here is one with a money clip, which is basically a strong metal clip. And this particular design is very similar to this one. Slight differences in terms of, you can see there's this molding over here. This one is plain, but the edge work a bit similar. So there is another version. So if you go to the Amazon store, and I'll leave the links in the description, there's one more which has kind of the carbon fiber going over here, more of a sleek finish. So just take note, if you see 2 really similar looking ones, that's the main difference. So this is more of the outdoor rugged version, and I do like it a lot. So I won't go through the cards, you know how many cards can fit, that's identical. So the difference is this clip over here. So you can obviously clip this to your belt if you want, I guess like an ID, and you can put it to your belt. But to me, as a money clip, that works. So I've got some notes over here. So just different currencies to give you an idea of the size, how it look like, and that just fits in. Now you definitely could put quite a big billfold over there. Obviously I don't have that much money, so I never have to worry about there being too much money for this clip. But now with this, some cards, my name cards, this side, and credit cards, ID cards, access cards. Yeah, this is a great clip. And I have carried a money clamp in the past, so I'm very used to carrying this over a standard wallet. And this works very well, with this carbon fiber look, that can fit this kind of EDC setup or loadout if I want. This is the Vostede Cutlery Raccoon, but with carbon fiber, and then this is just a fob with a carbon fiber look, but all that I think works really well towards an EDC. Now I should mention that this also has kind of a bracket, so you could put a lanyard on it. So if you had that standard lanyard, I believe this would be designed, yeah, it can fit just like that. Or you could use one of these are also from LUIGX, and this is the retractable badge holder, so that could obviously fit on. And I did a review on this previously, so do check out that video in the link in the card above or the description below. See, and that goes on as well, and so if you want it, that can retract. So I guess lots of possibilities, and you got to go to the Amazon store just to see all the combinations. Now you can buy, of course, different combinations with the lanyards and with this, so lots of flexibility as well. So there you have it. That's the badge holder and badge holder with a money clip from LUIGX, as well as the lanyard holder. Great stuff. So if you want to win this particular product, and that's the money clip version, very simple. All you need to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a legitimate, genuine comment. I will pick one lucky commenter and subscriber in 5 days' time, and you win this. We'll ship it to you, and that's it. No strings attached. All thanks to LUIGX for sponsoring this giveaway. Well, if you have the LUIGX badge holders or any of their products, do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.